To make a stem for a flower, what you're going to have to do is, if you can use it out of green paper, if you want to be more traditional, if you want to stick to the theme of upcycling paper, I'm going to use a magazine page. You're going to go ahead and take the magazine page and cut it in half so that you have a long rectangle. If you have a paper cutter, that's fine too. Now you're going to take the part that you don't want is going to be face up. Then you're going to need something thin to roll it around. I'm happy to use this paintbrush. If you have something, a skewer, that would be fine too. You're going to go from the bottom right corner and roll it tightly. You really want a tight tension there. And I like to add glue all the way up so that way no matter what size and where I cut, it won't matter. So it won't fall apart. Don't forget to take your thing out, otherwise it'll get stuck inside. Of course I've done that. And then continue rolling nice and tight. Roll, roll, roll. Make sure that you're staying nice and tight. And then at the end, add more glue. If you're using white glue, hold it for a second. If you're using a glue gun, no need. Now, so you can place your flower in it, you're going to take your scissors, decide which end that you want, and you're going to cut it in 4 directions. And then you're going to bend those down so that you create a base for your flower. Then you're going to add lots of glue. Take your flower, if it has a little bit of a base, stick it inside. Mine doesn't fit, so I'm just going to clear a little bit water so I can get that in there. If it doesn't have a base, then just glue the sides alongside it. So mine has a base, so it makes it a little bit trickier. But if not, all you have to do, if you can see right there, is glue the sides up. But if it does have a base, then you'll have to stick it inside a little bit. But then there you have it. Now if you want to, if yours does have a base like mine did, you could take some floral tape or something if you wanted to cover that piece right there. Now if you are using floral tape to cover up any imperfections, it's easier to start further down first, and it's going to be pull and stretch. Pull and stretch. There's a wax on it, and when you pull and stretch it, the wax begins to melt a little bit, and it holds to itself. So if you've never used floral tape before, all it is twisting and pulling. And if you see right there, I've now covered up the part of the base.